Hey YouTube, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of Christian books, self-help books out there for you. Next time you get on Amazon, go to the search bar, type in my name, Scott Perdue, pull up all those wonderful options. There's a lot of them. You'll have to scroll down quite a bit to find some that are suitable for you. There's a lot of suitable books there. Great books for you, great wisdom. Get that in your life right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you in those books. Anyway, today I'm going to go over a book I recently published called Rising from the Ashes, How to Rebuild When Life Falls Apart. Today's lesson is called Creating a Vision for a New Beginning. When life falls apart, it can feel like standing in the wreckage of a world that once made sense. The pain, confusion, and uncertainty is real, but so too is the potential of a new beginning. Creating a vision for a better future is not about forgetting the past, but learning from it and using those lessons to build a life of purpose, fulfillment, and resilience. The process requires courage, self-reflection, and determination, but it also opens the door to transformation. The journey to rebuilding begins with setting meaningful goals, visualizing what a new chapter in life could look like, and breaking free from old patterns that no longer serve you. By focusing on what matters most and taking intentional steps forward, you can rewrite your story and rise stronger from adversity. The power of vision. A clear vision for the future is like a guiding star. It provides direction and motivation even when the path forward feels uncertain. Vision gives you something to work toward, a sense of purpose that sustains you through the challenges of rebuilding. Why vision matters. Without a vision, it's easy to feel stuck or aimless after a setback. Having a clear picture of what you want to achieve provides focus and clarity. It helps you prioritize your efforts and make decisions that align with your long-term goals. Vision also instills hope, reminding you that a better future is possible. Creating your vision. You create a vision of a new beginning. Take time to reflect on what truly matters to you. What kind of life do you want to create? What values do you want to prioritize? What brings you joy, meaning, and fulfillment? Allow yourself to dream without imitations of fear or judgment. Fear of judgment. Setting goals for the future. Goals are the stepping stones that bring your vision to life. They turn abstract dreams into tangible actions and measurable progress. Setting meaningful goals is a crucial part of rebuilding after adversity, as it provides structure and a sense of accomplishment. Number one, start with your values. Your goals should reflect your core values, the principles and beliefs that guide your life. For example, if connection to community are important to you, your goals might focus on building meaningful relationships. Aligning your goals with your values ensures that your efforts are authentic and fulfilling. Number two, be specific and measurable. Vague goals are difficult to achieve. Instead of saying, I want to feel better, be specific. Set a specific goal, such as, I will practice mindfulness for 10 minutes every day. Specific, measurable goals give you a clear target to work toward and make it easier to track your progress. Number three, break it down. Big goals can feel overwhelming, especially when you're already navigating adversity. Break your goals into smaller, manageable steps that you can take one at a time. Each small achievement builds momentum and reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed. Number four, stay flexible. Life is unpredictable and circumstances may change as you rebuild. Be willing to adjust your goals as needed while staying true to your vision and values. Flexibility allows you to adapt and keep moving forward, even when obstacles arise. Visualizing success. Visualization is a powerful tool for creating a new beginning. By imagining yourself achieving your goals and living the life you desire, you train your mind to focus on possibilities rather than limitations. Visualization helps you stay motivated and builds confidence in your ability to overcome challenges. How to practice visualization. Number one, find a quiet space. Sit in your comfortable position and close your eyes. Take a few deep breaths to relax your body and clear your mind. Number two, picture your ideal life. Imagine yourself living the life you want to create. What does it look like? How do you feel? Engage all your senses to make the vision as vivid as possible. Number three, focus on details. Include specific elements in your visualization, such as the people you're surrounded by, the work you're doing, or the emotions you're experiencing. Number four, revisit your vision regularly. Make visualization a daily practice. The more you connect with your vision, the more it will inspire and guide your actions. Breaking free from old patterns. To create a meaningful life after adversity, you must let go of patterns and habits that no longer serve you. This may involve challenging limiting beliefs, addressing unhealthy coping mechanisms, or stepping out of your comfort zone. Breaking free from old patterns creates space for growth and allows you to align your actions with your new vision. Number 1, identify limiting beliefs. Limiting beliefs are thoughts or assumptions that hold you back, such as I'm not good enough or I'll never succeed. These beliefs often stem from past experiences or fear of failure. To overcome them, challenge their validity and replace them with empowering affirmations. Number 2, address unhealthy coping mechanisms. In times of stress or pain, it's common to turn to unhealthy behaviors such as avoidance, self-isolation, or substance abuse. Recognize these patterns and seek healthier alternatives such as therapy, mindfulness, or physical activity. Number 3, step out of your comfort zone. Growth requires courage and a willingness to embrace discomfort. Take small, intentional steps outside of your comfort zone, whether it's trying something new, speaking up for yourself, or pursuing a long-held dream. Each step builds confidence and expands your sense of what's possible. Creating a meaningful life. A meaningful life is one that aligns with your values, passions, and purpose. It's not defined by external achievements, but by the sense of fulfillment and connection you feel. Creating a meaningful life involves intentional choices, self-compassion, and a commitment to personal growth. Number 1, focus on what you can control. Adversity often brings a sense of loss or helplessness. Shift your focus to the aspects of your life that are within your control, such as your attitude, actions, and goals. By taking ownership of these areas, you reclaim your sense of agency and empowerment. Number 2, cultivate gratitude. Gratitude shifts your perspective from what's missing to what's present. Make a habit of identifying 3 things you're grateful for each day. No matter how small, gratitude fosters positivity and helps you appreciate the progress you're making. Number 2, gratitude. Number 3, invest in personal growth. Lost my spot there, sorry. Invest in personal growth. Use your experiences as an opportunity to learn and grow. Read books, attend workshops, and seek mentorship to deepen your understanding of yourself and the world around you. Personal growth strengthens your resilience and equips you to face future challenges. Your comeback story. Your comeback story is a testament to your resilience, courage, and determination. It's a story of transformation, not perfection. A journey of rising from the ashes and creating a life that reflects your true self. Number 1, own your narrative. You are the author of your story and you have the power to shape how it unfolds. Instead of focusing on what went wrong, highlight your strength, perseverance, and the lessons you've learned. Your story is not defined by your setbacks, but by how you rise from them. Number 2, celebrate your progress. Acknowledge and celebrate the milestones you achieve along the way. Whether it's a small step toward a goal or a major breakthrough, each accomplishment is a reminder of your resilience and potential. Number 3, inspire others. Your comeback story has the power to inspire and uplift others who are facing their own challenges. Share your journey with authenticity and vulnerability, showing that it's possible to rebuild and thrive after adversity. How to rewrite your life after setbacks. Rewriting your life after setbacks is about moving forward with intention, clarity, and purpose. It involves letting go of the past, embracing change, and taking deliberate steps toward the future you want to create. Number 1, let go of the past. Holding on to regrets, guilt, and resentment keeps you tethered to the past. Practice forgiveness, both for yourself and others, and focus on the lessons you've learned rather than the pain you've endured. Number 2, embrace change. Change is a natural part of life. The setbacks often bring unexpected opportunities for growth. Instead of resisting change, view it as a chance to create something new and meaningful. Number 3, take action. Dreaming of a better future is important, but action is what brings your vision to life. Commit to taking consistent steps, no matter how small, toward your goals. Action creates momentum and reinforces your belief in your ability to succeed. Number 4, practice patience and persistence. Rebuilding takes time, and setbacks are a normal part of the process. Be patient with yourself and stay persistent, even when progress feels slow. Trust that each effort brings you closer to your vision. Conclusion, rising to a new beginning. Creating a vision for a new beginning is not just about overcoming adversity. It's about discovering the strength, courage, and potential that have always been within you. By setting meaningful goals, breaking free from old patterns, and embracing the possibilities of change, you can rewrite your life after setbacks and create a future filled with purpose and fulfillment. Your comeback story is a testament to your resilience and determination, a reminder that even in the face of life's greatest challenges, you have the power to rise, rebuild, and thrive. Let this new beginning be a start of a journey that celebrates your strength, honors your growth, and empowers you to live a life that reflects your deepest values and dreams. All right, well, that concludes today's lesson. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Again, my name is Scott Perdue. I'm an Amazon author of over 100 books, tons of great self-help books, Christian books out there. Next time you get on Amazon, go to the search bar and type in my name, Scott Perdue. Pull up all those wonderful options. There's a ton of them, lots of options for you. Find some books that are suitable for you, add those to cart, and get them in transit right away. There's life-changing wisdom there for you definitely want in your life. Again, thank you for watching through this video today. Have a blessed day. See you on the next video.